Guys, good evening. We are here in the night market with Pastor Stanley and Popsie! You know, have you seen our video, Popsie and I?
No.
You should see that. Yes. This is Stanley.
You go.
He came to visit.
You're gonna put it in YouTube. Come on. Oh, come on.
Oh, come on, LeeAnne. And we're buying.
This is night market.
This is a night market. And he's visiting, but he's paying for us. What? What? Why you do that? Pastor Stanley that one is vegetable.
I won't like that. That one. Yeah. Oh,
Come here. Where are you going? Ala, magpasok siya! Hindi man ito marunong mag-ano, doy? Maglakad. Nag-jump-jump siya.
Matano pa na?
Hi! It's evening now, guys, and
Time to say good night.
time to say good night. Ja, where have you been? Nagkado kay focus. Ah, nagpakasi ka.
Let's get that.